Our clients and friends always want to know something about our law firm. Ever since our founding over 27 years ago, our firm has actively been involved in representing victims of traumatic brain injury. We represent adults as well as children who have sustained brain injuries in motor vehicle accidents, truck, bus, and train accidents. We represent victims of brain injury caused by negligent landlords and as a result of dangerous buildings. We also represent victims of brain injury caused by the medical malpractice of doctors and hospitals, both in and out of the operating room and emergency room. Our brain injury law firm is based in New York, and we have assisted in representing individuals throughout the nation and always live by the guiding principle that our clients come first. We believe that we must treat our clients with compassion and vigorously protect their rights. Since our inception, my partner Caro and myself have been actively involved in national and state brain injury associations, in legal groups, as well as brain injury awareness and brain injury education programs. It's fair to say that we are leaders in the field of brain injury advocacy. I am honored that I was appointed by the New York State Legislature to be a member and now chairperson of the New York State Traumatic Brain Injury Services Council, which provides recommendation to the Commissioner of Health on traumatic brain injury initiatives in New York State. I am also proud to have served for 9 years as the president of the Brain Injury Association of New York State, the longest-serving president in our association's history. I was elected by my legal colleagues to be the chair of the Traumatic Brain Injury Group of the American Association for Justice, as well as the chair of their Motor Vehicle, Highway, and Premises Liability section. I have lectured to attorneys throughout our nation on how to effectively represent victims of brain and trauma, and have been interviewed by many television stations, radio stations, and newspapers on the legal aspects of traumatic brain injury. I also guest lecture on traumatic brain injury at the George Washington University in Washington, D.C., and serve as a consultant to Touro University's Department of Psychology. I have taught courses in trial practice and medical malpractice at St. John's University School of Law. My partner, Caro, is also an experienced brain injury attorney. She serves as an officer and a member of the executive board of the Traumatic Brain Injury Litigation Group of the American Association for Justice and serves as a trustee of the Civil Justice Foundation. She too is actively involved in many bar associations, including the New York State Academy of Trial Lawyers, where she edits a monthly update on the law for lawyers throughout the state of New York. Because of her leadership, she has been listed in both Who's Who of American Women in the Law and Who's Who in America. Both Shauna and myself have been named one of the top 100 trial lawyers in New York by the American Association for Trial Lawyers. You can learn more about our practice and our experience by visiting our website, www.brainlaw.com. If we can assist you or your family member, you can call me, Michael Kaplen, directly, toll-free at 1-866-BRAIN-LAW, or by emailing me at michael@brainlaw.com.